Welcome to XFlow. If you want the fastest way to start sending back-in-stock emails across your entire store, this video is for you. The Global Restock campaign applies one simple restock flow to all out-of-stock products, so you don't need to set anything up product by product. Let's walk through it. XFlow comes with a pre-built back-in-stock email. This email includes the restocked product information and a clear button that takes customers straight back to buy. You can customize the content if you want, or keep it as is. Next, let's look at the workflow. The logic here is very simple. The workflow starts as the product is restocked, then an email is sent. This email template is the pre-built one that we've reviewed in step 1. Besides this, you can absolutely extend your flow with a wide range of workflow triggers, conditions, and actions. Once you're happy with the email and workflow, activate the global campaign. From this point on, the same restock logic applies to every out-of-stock product in your store automatically. Finally, let's test the automation flow. Check that the Notify Me widget is working. Restock a product. And confirm the email is sent when the product becomes available again. XFlow tracks everything for you, whether the customer has opened an email or made a purchase. That's it. In just a few clicks, you're live with your global restock campaign, and XFlow handles the rest. If you need different restock logic for specific products or collections, that's where advanced campaigns come in. We'll cover that in the next video. Be sure to check it out.